So this video is just showing you how exactly I did these really simple colorwork sections in my new Faux Fade Wrap. So here I'm going to change from beige to beige, and we'll call this red, beige and red. So first we are going to finish off the row with the old color. Now this is the last stitch of the row, so we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now we've got 2 loops on our hook here. And normally we just yarn over to finish the stitch. And this time here, we're going to yarn over with the new color. So got it on my hook, pull through, pull the old color kind of tight and the new color kind of tight. And now you want to chain 1 with the new color. So you can either, like I sometimes do over, I use the working yarn and the end together. You don't have to do that, you can do whatever you want. And then turn your work to begin working in this new red color. So what we're going to do here is, like normally we would just insert our hook into the first stitch and crochet, but here we want to carry the beige, so we are going to put the beige on our hook, and I like to just kind of hold it back so it's out of the way, then insert our hook into the first stitch, and now the beige is right where we want it, and we are going to finish this single crochet with the new color just like that. So now we've captured this beige color, and we are going to continue to carry it across each stitch, working over it so that it's kind of hidden and flush with this row. So we're just going to keep on working around it. So can you see what I'm doing here? I'm working, treating these as one, crocheting around it so that now it's kind of hidden in there. You can't really see it. Once you're finished, it will kind of pop through. You'll be able to see both, but that's intentional. For this part, treating it as though it's hidden. And we're just going to keep crocheting around the beige or around whatever your old color is to the end of the row, and I will meet you there. Okay, so here we are. I'm almost at the end, and we'll just work these last few stitches. This is the last stitch right now that I'm working, and it gets 2 single crochets since we're on the increase side. So I've worked 1, and now here's the second one, but we're not going to do this final yarn over. We are going to grab the other edge, hold it tight, hold both colors tight, and give this a little tug so that whatever color you were carrying is a little bit looser. We don't want this to be really tight because we want this colorwork section to have just as much stretch as these solid sections. So now we're ready to close this last stitch, but we're not going to use this. We are going to pick up the color that we were carrying, and we are going to yarn over and close that stitch with what is now the new color. And then we are going to chain 1, turn this guy over, and we want to carry this red color now. So before we work the first stitch, we're going to yarn over with this red, kind of hold it back, and then insert your hook into the first stitch. And now it's perfectly in place to crochet around it. So now you're going to do your stitch working around this old color. Pull it a little tight there. And then since we're on the increase edge, we are going to work a second stitch into this first stitch here. And now we are going to continue crocheting all the way to the end, working around this yarn here, carrying this all the way to the other edge, just like we did before. And that's pretty much it. It's a really simple pattern that on this increase edge, all we've done is simply work 2 stitches into the edge stitch, and the rest of it is just straight single crochet. So this color work is the only real part that requires any other technique, and now you can see how easy it is. And that is all you do. So I hope you liked the pattern, and thank you so much for watching.